No. That's all cool, man. That's cool.
Fuck you.
Hello. G'day. Hello. Nice to meet you. Metin. Nice to meet you, man.
And stuff here and there.
Oh, sick. Awesome.
Keep it up.
Cool, man.
There you go. Thanks. Good job. I was smiling.
Everyone's wondering what the hell these sticks are hanging off our cars.
I need to compete right now. Oh, come on.
Going left lane.
Yeah, left lane for it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Jump in.
Mitch, I got a W clip of you in the tunnel. Mitch, that shit was so loud, bro.
I don't know if we can post. I don't know if we can post that.
You guys know that like black sprinter to the right? Yeah. You know they have like Australia SWAT team in that. What?
Bitch, there's people taking photos of your phone.
Are they? Where? I swear I don't see any of this.
On the back left, he had his phone out, took a photo of your car.
Oh yeah.
Oh no, he took a photo. Yeah. Bitch is the priority.
Everyone's looking at Mitch's car. Mitch, can I borrow for a night?
Didn't make it, but sure.
That's nice, Mitch. Real nice.
Yeah.
Tarkin just saw me somehow.
Bro, I should.
No,
Talking?
Yeah. He just
What the
messaged me.
where's Tonkin? Is he here?
I have no idea. He just said he just saw me cruising.
With us?
Well, he didn't mention it.
No, he just saw Mitch. He just saw Mitch, not us.
Oh, Mitch, your car is so nice. Okay, enough glazing, goddamn, Josh.
Oh no, yeah, you come back. There's room. Don't hit me.
Don't worry. We have backs. We have back cameras.
Mitch, if you rev it, everybody will see you.
Will they?
No, don't embarrass me, Mitch.
No, only about 4 people looked, man. You said everyone. Like 4 people
Bro,
looked.
I reckoned everybody.
Everyone.
There's too many women on the road.
Holy crap.
That's the most expensive billboard in the whole of Australia.
Really?
Yeah.
guy. Wrong lane. They just waved at me. What's that? Yeah, they waved at us.
What the fuck is that?
I don't know.
What is that? Chrysler. Is that convertible? Yeah.
Oh, it is too. That's crazy.
Don't get me in trouble. I'm going to cut them off and keep letting them go.
The wood.
Josh, I just noticed that
Hello. Sorry?
Why? When Lexus at least why?
Oh, I don't know. I don't know.
One,
What's happening?
I want
one,
to.
and then one.
No. It's all cool, man. It's cool.
Fuck you.
He's angry.
Hey, one, thank you, one. Why? No, no. I did it.
Why are you so angry? Where's that? Bro, why are some people just so like full of hatred? Have a nice day.
I don't know. So he pulled up next to me and he said, "Did your friend go like this to me or something?" I said, "I don't know."
Yeah.
Did you?
No.
No.
I was just cruising.
Yeah.
And I just hit yelling. I'm like, what?
Yeah.
Alright from Mitch.
Yeah.
I'm being comfort, Josh. I don't like you going past 100 time. I mean, you can. Yeah, oh, guys, it's free. You guys go ahead.
Yeah.
There's no cars. It wants to kick because it thinks I'm going to push it again. We'll be there in 5 minutes, boys. Yes, sir. There's another entrance that goes straight and then you go up the ramp. Okay.
Oh.
Is that gonna hit?
Nah. You're good.
Hi you guys. Hi Zach, how are you? Good to see you, brother. Thanks.
Hey mate, how's it going? Good to see you. Hey man, how's it going? Good to see you.
Park anywhere, basically.
All right,
Grill looks nice.
thank you. Yeah, at the front. Yeah. Yeah. Where are you guys going?
I'm just trying to find a nice parking spot.
A nice parking spot. We'll just do laps. I found a spot, but I don't know where you guys are. Okay.
I've seen this guy on TikTok. We've got the microphone for his exhaust there. There you are. I'm seeing this on TikTok, yeah.
Alright, I'm ready, Mitch. Thank you.
Okay.
Alright, I'll bid set up. Let's go.
You waiting for me? Okay.
Yeah.
I was waiting for you.
No, Mitch has a control switch, so he can make his car quiet whenever he wants to. So go chill. Oh, it smells good. Oh, it smells good. Oh, my fat abs.
We're taking the next left. Join the queue. That's it.
Guys, come. What are you doing?
Yeah, jump in if you can.
Jump in, Osman. Jump in. Oh my god, I love this group. Jump in. Shove yourself in the middle of the road.
Why is that guy stopping?
Hey, the Lexus. Maybe that's his mate.
We're going in the tunnel.
Yes, sir. Go. Go back in. Pull out. He's in the GS. He was the first guy. Let him his photos.
Into the tunnel, guys.
Yes, sir. I'm gonna reach up my.
What is that?
Look behind you.
Oh shit.
Look at reverse camera.
But don't reverse.
I mean, look at your camera. But don't reverse.
No, I'm not. I can press the button. Take a photo. Oh, I can't think to do that.
Josh, your ADHD is going insane.
Oh, look at that. Perfect ball for us.
Can I watch your sheet?
Yo, Papa Willie. Try it.
Don't hit my car. Stop.
Don't worry, I see it. Don't
Okay,
worry, don't
alright.
worry. It's like you don't trust my driving. I have a camera, it's okay. Bro, that guy is crazy.
Sounds good, eh, that car?
GS.
Oh crap.
The GS.
I'm crooked.
How funny is the echo?
Bro, it's so
Bro, it's so loud.
When it's cold outside, when it's cold outside.
See ya.
When it's cold outside,
Your car sounds real nice.
Thanks, man.
Zam valves open or closed?
Open.
Enjoy the rest of your week, Mitch.
You too, man. Had a fun night. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you to you too.
Coming up in the next video.
Hello. How you going? Cheers.
Is it a metal coming out? Yeah.
That was so loud. That was the loudest thing I've ever seen.
Their S1Ks are insane. And it had no muffler. Do you see it? It was all, I think it broke it, yeah. It hurt my ears.
Oh my god, my ears are ringing out.